cook some dinner. Spaghetti is what's for dinner. Oops. So I need to clean up my workbench. There's a bunch of stuff all over it. Been kind of neglecting it. So I'm gonna do that now. When you have kids, somehow all their stuff ends up in your area. It's kind of annoying, but they're worth it, I guess.
See you later, I'm about to blow this.
You don't have one of these in your garage? What are you doing? I mean, they're good for everything, right? I like it.
All I wanna do is just say you don't understand how I play.
So this is my Black & Decker electric weed whacker. It stopped putting out line. I don't know what the hell to do with it, and I already bought a new one. So I want to try something I saw on TikTok. Let's see what happens. So I think that's all I got for today. If you can think of any fun challenges, something you think you'd like to see on this vlog, let me know. Put it in the comments below. See what you can come up with. I love a good challenge. I'm always up for something different. Yeah, post something down below. Let me see what you got, and I'll see if I can't make it happen. See ya. Oh, hey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share it too so everybody gets the word. See ya.